How we doing? You alright, Birmingham? We love this place. We started here in the Glee Club. Anyone come see us at the Glee Club? Had some wonderful, slightly messy nights in the Glee Club. So we changed a little bit. When you can't win for losing, and the beggars start choosing the chaos in your head, calls the cracks to start showing, all knowing, all glowing with the light of the dying to raise the dead. Oh, you're a world away, but you're still the same. I know you by your heart, I will call you by your name. It's a long way from the crack to the break. You know that I remember everything. Well, steady yourself and your tumbleweed words. Be a street corner preacher or just feed the birds. But don't hold to yourself with heart more turned stone. Be a rubber band man, make the war into your bones. Dying just to live. And I'll call you anything that you like. And I am free and I'm able to call me new ink on your skin, red lips in the dark. Nothing lasts forever, babe. You know it breaks my heart. Put a shiver on your skin. Do your hair in the car. If nothing lasts forever, babe, then can we make a start? Thank you so much.